followers came all the way over here. And this is where John, the apostle of the Lord, in 95 AD, was baptizing people. This is what that says. There's Mr. Nikolai, and I wish that they hadn't found me yet because I want to go in this church. And it says the baptistry where St. John the theologian baptized the inhabitants of Patmos in 95 AD. So we go in the church, but I think it's locked because last night somebody tried it and it was locked already. But this is where they say he came and people were getting saved and he was baptizing them. So it's still locked. It's still locked. But at least we can see it. Hello, kitty. Hello. It's okay. It's still locked. The church is still locked. But I said it's on the way here, so I wanted to do live. Say hello. There's Karen and Kathy, and Susan is in the car. And yeah, I'm not going back yet. Oh, that sounds good, but I wanted to go this way to Scala and ask about Dad's house. Yeah, so, yeah. Always ready to eat. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so there was the monastery that they went to. Let me see if I can get it closer. Okay. Well, it's that little dot and is the monastery that they went to. And the rain here, it starts and then it just like goes away. So I'm going to try to buy an umbrella because I didn't want to carry one more thing with me from home, but then I'll probably have to. Look at this. Look at this place. Oh my goodness. Okay. What a beautiful church in the middle of the city, but doors are closed. It's Monday. And there's the bell. Let's see if I can